Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you love plant hangers that are simple and easy to make because they take a little bit of your time. So today I'm excited to share with you a super simple, elegant, and beautiful macrame plant hanger. For this project you will need about 30 meters of 4mm cotton rope. This macrame has no tassels, so you need to prepare 2 rings about 6 centimeters in diameter, one for the top and one for the bottom. Let's get started. First step, you take 4 ivory cords, 4 meters long, fold them in half, and then you attach them to the ring by tying lark's head knots. Next, you take 4 orange cords, fold them in half, and you attach 2 cords for each side. Next step, you use the square knots to create patterns for the strap part. You tie 6 square knots, and with the other side, you do the same. You use 1 wooden bead and thread it through 2 cords to connect the sides. After that, continue to tie the square knots. You tie 12 square knots for each side. You thread 1 wooden bead and then you tie 6 more the knots for each side. For the ivory cords, you will first tie 12 square knots on each side. put them on the orange cords, then pull them to the back of it. And then you thread one wooden bead to connect them together. Tie 12 more than knots for each side and repeat the process. Thread 2 orange cords through the last wooden bead. Next, you take 2 longer ivory cords and 2 shorter orange cords. You tie the square knots. The shorter cords will be holding cords and the longer cords will be working cords. Repeat the process with the remaining cords. Continue to tie the square knots until you reach a length of about 20 centimeters. Next step, you make the cradle. Tie the square knots to connect the straps together. That first knot should be about 5 to 7 centimeters from the last knots of the straps. And you tie 2 lark's head knots for each side of the square knot. Tie 1 square knot at the bottom of it. Repeat the process with the remaining cords. Last step, you use one ring to tie the bottom of the plant hanger. Put the macrame inside the ring, and then you tie lark's head knots. Do the same with all the cords. To be able to cut the excess cords without damaging the plant hanger, you need to tie double half hitch knots to secure it more firmly. You should tie 2 loops double half hitch because that will make the bottom stronger than if you just tie 1 loop. Cut off this excess cords and your result are a plant hanger without tassels. The length of this plant hanger is 27 inches. Please kindly note, the length I listed is measured without any pots. The plant hanger will be shortened when you put pots in. It can hold a variety of pots with a diameter of 10 to 17 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, a quick like, comment, and subscribe really does help out my channel. See you next week.